Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, part your hair on one side and then take a small piece, making sure you have two more sections, and we're going to make a snake braid. A snake braid is basically just a 3-strand braid, and let me show you how to make the snake. Just braid a regular 3-strand braid and then holding one piece and the other two pieces in another part of your hand, push up on the braid, and this makes the snake. I think this is the coolest braid. It's like super easy and it looks hard. So just keep on braiding down. And then when you get a few inches down, push up on the braid like I showed you, holding one piece with your thumb and your first finger and the other two pieces in your other part of your hand. And then push up. This is going to make it easy to slide right up. Then take an elastic. I like the Goody elastics. Tie the end of your braid. Now you're going to take the back of your hair and split it into two more pieces. Again, braiding the one piece, a 3-strand braid, and then pushing up like I showed you before. Again, braiding it down and pushing it up with the first finger and thumb. This, I find, is the easiest way to do it, and it doesn't take any effort at all to push up on the braid. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe down below. It is free and I do videos every single week. Then take your last section of hair and split it into 3 sections again, braiding a 3-strand braid over the left, over the right, over the left, over the right, and then pushing up on the braid to make the snake. Then you're just going to take the 3 snake braids and you're going to braid them together. And this is just going to make a really intricate braid. When you get to the end, just take one of the elastics out and just begin braiding all the way down the ends, and then tie the elastic at the end of the braid. Then just kind of pull it apart to where it looks like you want it to. And then just add some accessories if you'd like. I love these beautiful pins. I'm just having a couple of them. And then you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, feel free to subscribe down below for hairstyles every single week and turn on the bell if you'd like to get notifications for every video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you're beautiful just the way you are. I love you guys. Bye.